While high-quality water is the backbone of exceptional chemistry, the amount of water used is also a critical factor. To clean efficiently and effectively, you need to ensure you're using the right amount of chemistry for each stage of the cleaning process. Every chemistry company uses different levels of concentration. The more concentrated a product is, the less chemistry you need to apply in the wash bay. Many of our products can wash more than 4,500 cars with a single 5-gallon container, reducing your labor time and helping to ensure chemistry never runs low. Concentrated products also make it easier for employees of the wash to move and dispense products, ensuring anyone can work in the back room of the wash. Our products take up less room in your facilities, allowing you to stock more product to provide a better quality service to your customers. Hyper-concentrated products clean more efficiently, dramatically reduces shipping costs, saves valuable space in your backroom, and reduces environmental impact of shipping and plastic usage.